Hi everyone! Thank you so much for joining me today and welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan and today what I wanted to share with you is an updated kitchen tour. A little while ago I posted a video of decluttering my kitchen and getting ready to put the dishwasher in, which is now in. So I decluttered my kitchen and rearranged everything. And I got this inspiration from Clutterbug, who is also here on YouTube, and I will put a link to her video down below for you guys. She is amazing. She does cleaning videos and she does organizational videos, and she's so smart. She thinks of these things that I would never think of, just like what I'm going to show you guys today, which is basically organizing your kitchen around your dishwasher, right? Because you want to be able to just take things out of the dishwasher and put them away easily. You don't want to be taking things out of the dishwasher and traveling all the way across your kitchen or what have you. And even though my kitchen is small, a lot smaller than her kitchen, I still thought that it was a really good idea, so I went ahead and did it. And if you guys have not seen any of my videos yet, if you are new, like I said, my name is Megan. I am a mom. I have 2 kids. I'm also a wife and stay-at-home mom. So a lot of what I do around here for my job is basically cleaning, cooking, and taking care of the kids and trying to keep up on laundry. So a lot of my life revolves around my kitchen, and I just wanted it to be as easy as possible for me. So without further ado, if you guys would like to see how I rearranged my kitchen, then just keep watching. So when you're standing on one end of the kitchen, I'm standing where our kitchen table is and where we eat our meals. And as you can see, the sink is straight ahead, and that is where we put the dishwasher. If you go ahead and look at the video of me decluttering the kitchen, I'll put a link down below for that as well. You'll see that there used to be a cupboard and another drawer right there. So we knew we wanted a dishwasher, and that was really the best location for it to tie it into the plumbing for the kitchen sink. And I went ahead and took out the silverware, and I'll show you our solution for where to put our silverware. And I decluttered the cupboard that was in there, and I'll also show you where I put the things that used to be under there. So starting out I'll start at the bottom. I know it's got spots on it. I still have to get a stainless, what do you call that? A stainless steel cleaner. Starting out in the bottom, this is where I always keep my cooking sheets and things of that nature. Those back there are like baskets for frying, which I very rarely do, so that's why they're in the back. This drawer is all of our things that little kids cannot get into, so this is always locked. And I always keep like pens and nail files in here. Tissues, not that tissues are dangerous, but your kids will get them out and put them all over the house. Birthday candles and hand wash. Nail clippers, clips for, you know, bags and things like that. Any cords we have, tools, and batteries. And then the dishwasher went right in here. Under here is just the garbage pail for now. And then we used to have all the Tupperware in this cupboard, what was here. So what I did was scooted, like all the pots and pans, I scooted up there. And I have some of the Tupperwares in here, my mixing bowls, and just some like aluminum bake pans. This is always a mess. I do leave it open so the kids can play with it. I believe in letting my daughter explore, eventually my son too. I believe in letting them explore putting lids on Tupperwares and playing with different containers. And I also believe in her using the pots and pans as drum kits. which we'll do sometimes with the wooden spoons. So she's always allowed in this cupboard, and she's always allowed in the cooking sheets, so that is why that cupboard is always messy. And then oven, no knobs because kids, and refrigerator. This microwave is also new, and up above here is just vitamins and like paper towel. And then what I did to make the dishwasher easier to access, oh, this is like my coffee command center now, which I don't know if I'm going to keep it there or not. I just did this because this is brand new and I was so excited about it. I'm so excited to be able to make espresso drinks at home, so I don't know if I'm going to keep it there, but that's where it is now. So what I did to make the dishwasher easier to load and unload is put all of the dishes in these two cupboards here, and this one here, and I'll go through that in more detail. And then I put the food in this cupboard and like spices and baking needs right here. And really it just made a whole lot more sense because I always cook here, right? I always cook on the stove. So why not have all of my spices and spice racks and oils right there? And then this is our protein powders and supplements. I always keep my coffee stuff in here, and I just don't know what to do with my almond butter, but I always put honey in my coffee. My tea is back there, and then back here we have Olivia's like apple sauces and stuff like that. Up here on this shelf I always keep crackers and cereal, and any like if we have cereal bars or anything, those go in there. And then way up top, all of my baking stuff is on that side, and back behind the peanuts is like all of our canned goods and pastas and stuff like that. So that just made more sense to me to condense our food, because our food was like, this was my spice cupboard, and then our food was in these two cabinets, and it wasn't working for our needs anymore. So going into more detail, these are for my cat. I should move those back up here. She's got, my poor kitty cat, you guys, she's so old, she's on thyroid medication. So I wear gloves when I give her her medicine. Anyway, so little things to keep out of reach of the kids. Again, some Aura gel for Olivia and her nail polish because she's not allowed to have it all the time. And for my glasses, I put them, you can buy these little racks at Dollar Tree, and they just have the wire up there. So I have some glasses in there, and my husband's shaker cup and my coffee cup, my travel mug. All of my coffee mugs and my AeroPress fit over here. And again, another little wire rack from the Dollar Tree. This is just extra cords and things that don't fit in the drawer below. This is James' baby monitor if he goes to bed early, and phone cords and stuff like that. Up on this side, I went ahead and put Olivia's sippy cups. In this, I have any of her stoppers for her sippy cups, and then these are like the whisk balls for the shaker cup for my husband. This is Olivia's treat bag for when she goes potty on the potty. She gets a treat. And then we do have a couple bottles. Even though James is breastfeeding right now, once in a while he takes a bottle from my husband if I go out. Any big cups for Justin and I, Olivia's cups, some other plastic cups. My old travel mug, which I don't know, guys. I don't even know if I'm going to keep this because I really do like that one so much better. I might just get rid of this one. Wine glasses. Again, things the kids can't get into. Like this is my tea steeper, which actually goes with this coffee mug right here. It just sits inside of it like that, and you can have loose leaf tea. That's my food processor. Because the blades are sharp, I keep it up. More travel mugs, the Baby Brisa. If you've ever seen me make baby food, I'll link a baby food video down below so you guys can see that, but again, sharp, so it has to be up. And then my measuring cups go up there. And in here, I just did dinner plates and bowls, little plates. Again, sharp stuff up out of reach of the kids. Any knives, scissors, anything pokey that they could hurt their fingers on. Baking dishes and glass mixing bowls out of reach of the children. And that just made it so much easier because now when I want to, I think this is 18 inches, right? This is 18 inches?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's an 18-inch dishwasher. It's a little small, but it works for us. Sometimes I do 2 loads of dishes a day, like today, but it works out great. And then when I'm ready to unload, I just go ahead and take anything out and put it on the counter right here. And then I can close the dishwasher and get closer to the counter and go ahead and put it all away right in there. This was our silverware solution. This is my other countertop. So I always have my toaster out and my blender because I use them all the time. A cookie jar for healthy snacks. These are just lactation cookies right now. And then this we got on Amazon, and so I'll try to find a link for it and link it down below. It has 3 separate compartments in the front and then 1 big one in the back, and it's perfect for just our knives and forks and spoons. Can opener, you know, what do you call that? An ice cream scoop that I use when I'm baking cookies and things. And then it just slides right back there and stays out of the way. And cooking utensils stay up here, and it's a perfect fit. So now that we don't have that silverware over top of the cupboard where the dishwasher went, I have somewhere to put my silverware. So that's it. That is how the kitchen turned out, and I'm really happy with it. I really like having the dishes and everything on this side and the food, everything on that side for when I'm cooking. It just turned out great, and it looks really organized and clean. You know, probably 80% of the time. We do have kids, so it gets a little crazy, but we like it. And I hope you guys like it too. So that's how everything turned out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. And also, if you wouldn't mind sharing this video with your friends, I would really appreciate it. I am trying to build up my subscribers and my viewers, so I'd be very, very grateful for any shares or anything like that that you guys can do. And I hope you guys all have a great night and a great weekend. Right now it's Friday, so have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!